Adding Google AdSense to WordPress is a straightforward process that can help you monetize your website. To get started, you need to have a Google AdSense account and a WordPress website. First, sign in to your Google AdSense account and create a new ad unit by clicking on the Ads tab and then, by ad unit, choose the type of ad you want to display, such as a display ad or link ad, and configure the settings as desired. Next, copy the ad code provided by Google AdSense. This code will be used to display the ad on your WordPress website. Now, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Appearance section. Click on Widgets and then drag and drop a custom HTML widget to the location where you want the ad to appear. Paste the ad code into the custom HTML widget and click Save. The ad should now be live on your website. Alternatively, you can also use a plugin such as Adsense or Advanced Ads to manage your Google AdSense ads. These plugins provide more features and flexibility, such as ad rotation and placement. To use a plugin, simply install and activate it. Then navigate to the plugin settings and enter your Google AdSense ad code. The plugin will handle the rest, allowing you to easily manage and display your ads. Best practices for using Google AdSense on WordPress include complying with Google's policies, such as not clicking on your own ads, and ensuring that your website content is high quality and relevant to your ads. It is also important to test and optimize your ad placements to ensure that they are performing well and not disrupting the user experience. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully add Google AdSense to your WordPress website and start earning revenue.